Bonjour, ça va? Today we are going to learn how to say goodbye, which is dire au revoir in French. Au revoir means goodbye. Now let's take a look at the pronunciation of this word. Au revoir. The letter A plus U is pronounced O, and the letter E is usually not pronounced, so you say au revoir. The letter O plus I is pronounced wa. Au revoir. Now repeat after me. Au revoir. Be careful with the spell. You have to write au revoir in 2 words. There are other words to say goodbye. Salut, bonsoir, bonne nuit, bye, ciao, adieu. Salut means bye, is more informal. You can use it with friends, for example. Salut. Bonsoir is used to say goodbye in the evening, from 5 p.m. onwards. Bonsoir. These 2 words can either be used to say hello or to say goodbye. Bonne nuit is usually used to say goodnight before going to bed. Bonne nuit. Be careful with the spell, it's written in 2 words. Then you have bye or ciao. They are both very informal. And adieu means farewell, but it's hardly used. Now that you know how to say goodbye, let's add some more words. Salut, à bientôt. À bientôt means see you soon. Au revoir, à demain. À demain means see you tomorrow. Salut, à mardi. À mardi means see you on Tuesday. Ciao, à plus. À plus means see you later. Now let's see a dialogue example using the words to say hello and those to say goodbye. Salut Jacques. Bonjour Julie. Bon ben, à lundi. Oui, au revoir. Bon week-end. Now repeat after me. Salut Jacques. Bonjour Julie. Bon ben, à lundi. Oui, au revoir. Bon week-end. Let's see one more example. Bonsoir Aurélie. Eh, salut Benoît, ça va? Oui, et toi? Ça va. Bon, salut. Ok, bye, à bientôt. Now repeat after me. Bonsoir Aurélie. Eh, salut Benoît, ça va? Oui, et toi? Ça va. Bon, salut. Ok, bye, à bientôt. Now let's do a little exercise. Can you say which sentences are wrong? Numbers 1, 4, and 6 are the wrong ones. Numbers 1 and 6 are wrong because au revoir and bonne nuit are written in 1 word. You have to write them in 2 words. In number 4, the problem is that ciao is informal and madame or monsieur are formal. Okay, that was all for this lesson. Hope to see you soon. Au revoir!